Hey beauties, Andrea. So I've done 3 curly hair routines before. They are flat curly hair routines, and you guys seem to really like them all. So of course I came back for a 4th curly hair routine. This is a method I've been doing for years, and it's so simple, so of course I wanted to show it to you guys. This is gonna be my 4th one, and I am using some new products from Mixeasy. These are products that you can customize, and these are products that are made with fresh ingredients, and they are high quality and natural and safe. And of course they're free of a lot of bad ingredients that are bad for your hair, vegan friendly and cruelty free as well. So go on to the website. Of course you choose the hair section. Of course you pick what your hair would need. Of course I picked some of the ingredients here. You can see if it's for dry hair or thicker hair, and I even picked the scent, and I gave it a nickname. Yup, I gave it a nickname. The fact that I can pick my own scent was already mind-blowing to me. Shipped out to my house. Don't forget, click checkout, use my code ANDREA for 15% off. It's gonna be a lot of savings, you guys, so make sure you use the code, okay? You just save some money, you know. All right, so once I got the products, you can see in the back and the bottom, the last 2 lines, you can see your choices as far as the scent that you picked, the nickname, and the ingredients as well. All right, so in the shower, of course, I'm going to wet my hair real quick. For the shampoo, it was amazing as far as smell because I picked it, right? The best scent ever, okay? So the texture of the shampoo was very easy to work with. As you can see, it's like a medium texture as far as how thick it is, I would say, and it lathers very well. It did clean my hair really nicely. The experience as far as application was really great. It cleaned well, all right? The only thing is I did not feel like my hair was soft enough after I rinsed it all out. I was probably expecting more from the softness. Now for the mask. This is great. Of course it smells amazing. Like I said, the best scent ever. Pick the scent that I picked, okay? The texture, the way that it applies to my hair, the thickness was perfect. I don't have anything bad to say about this one. It was great. I'm definitely going to purchase it again. I just wish the container provided more products. That would be amazing because it's great, and it made my hair very soft and easy to detangle. The brush was sliding right through. As you can see, fresh and clean, ready to go, washed. Shampoo cleaned it, the deep conditioner made it very soft and tangle free. All right, I did spray a light leave-in conditioner before I braided it. By the time I went to bed, my hair was dry. Now in the morning, I gotta take out the braids, and let's go with the rest of the technique. It has been cut. This is when the method will matter for that flat look. I'm gonna divide one side in 2. Water, and I need a thicker product. You can use a gel or custard. I'm gonna use a custard because it's my favorite. I do not want you to run your fingers through yet or anything. Just wet it, because you know it's not tangled or anything. You did braid it last night, so it should be good to go. Make sure it's damp. You see, it's damp but not like fully soaking wet. And you apply your product. As you apply, well, rake it through with your fingers after you apply the product, not beforehand, okay? Because you don't want to cause any disturbance in what you're trying to create. And this method actually makes, of course, your hair dries faster because it's not soaking wet, and your hair is already very relaxed from it being braided the whole previous day. Okay, so we have the first batch ready to go. You see, so I'll coat it. Yes, crunch is good. Even for flat curly hair looks, you want to crunch, okay? Wet it just enough to make the product you're about to apply slide easily onto it. Method will avoid shrinkage big time, okay? And then you rake. And that's it. This is that method that I was doing for years and not able to share. I feel like this will be beneficial for a lot of people because I feel like this is like the one that's the easier way, which, well, you have to do it the night before, but if you prepare for school, if you do it Sunday, the next day just put some product and it'll be almost ready to dry, okay? Because this is not super wet at all. I'm gonna come close for you to see that my roots are literally dry. And then you have the hair that's literally almost dry. Like this is what, 80%? Like, and it's gonna dry quick. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and then I'll come back. We went from beginning to end for this flat curly hair routine, and don't forget to check out the Mixeasy products. They do have other products as well besides shampoo and masks. Go ahead on the website and customize your own products. Get your own scents and pick your own ingredients based on your hair needs, okay? And to get 15% off, use the code ANDREA, all right? Check it out down below in the description box. Do not make it soaking wet, please. So I would say less, between 30 to 45 minutes. I just know it's less than an hour. It depends how much water you apply. You can definitely make it 30 minutes. Just don't apply too much water, okay? And yeah, as you can see, dry. But yeah, try it. Let me know down below if it worked and let me know which one do you like. The first, second, third, or this one. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye.